Well, hello and welcome to the Web Monkey Show. My name is Alex, and today I have a nice sweet tutorial for you. Today I'm going to teach you how you can create your very own coming soon or on the maintenance page. So what am I talking about here? You might have seen before on certain websites where you go to the home page and you might see something like this. As an example, this is from Creative. It says, "Be ready, we are launching soon." They have a timer. They've got some social media icons right there. As another example, you might see something like this: "Keep calm and big event is coming soon." And then they have like an email box in here where you can add your email so that you're notified whenever they launch officially. You've got other ones like this one again: "Nice to meet you." There's another one here: "Great spirit, we're coming soon," and so on and so forth. You kind of get the idea of what I'm talking about. So what I want to do in this video is to show you exactly how you can create pages like this on your WordPress website. I'm going to make use of a plugin known as the Launcher plugin from Mytheme shop. To download the plugin, simply click on the link in the description box below and you will go to the login page, or the download page for this particular plugin. So what this plugin does is that it allows you to create pages like that, and they actually have 3 templates that you can use. This is the default template right here, and then they've got the retro template, and then they have the rocket template. 3 really awesome templates you can use to build your coming soon page. So what I want to do now is to show you exactly how you can make use of these templates. Now I'm over here on my launcher.tascopedia.com sample website, and as you can see, well, nothing has been published. It's a brand new website. So I'm going to create the coming soon page for this website. Now I have gone ahead to install, and I've also activated the plugin, the Launcher plugin. Now when you do the same, all you have to do is to come down here to your settings, and you will see the Launcher tab right here. Click on Launcher. And now from here, I'm going to go straight to where we have the templates. So these are the 3 templates that we have, which I showed you earlier: Launcher, Retro, Rocket. All right, let's go back to General. So first things first, I'm going to enable the Launcher page. I'm going to tick this box right here. So it says, if enabled, only admins can access the front end of the site. So only admins will still be able to log in and see the actual real front end of the website, while others who are not admins will see the Launcher template instead. That's what they will see on the front end of the site. So the rest of the things over here: page title, 5 icon, meta description, we're not going to touch any of these. You do have the option of adding some custom CSS code or some header code or footer code if you wanted to, but I'm just going to leave this as it is. So let's save our changes. Now what I'm going to do now, because we have enabled the Launcher page, I'm going to open a private window, and I'm going to go to my website, and let's see what it looks like. All right, so right off the bat, you can see that just by enabling the plugin, this is the front end. This is exactly what people will see when they come to my website, launcher.tascopedia.com. Pretty awesome, right? We haven't even done anything, and we already have this really amazing looking front page to welcome new visitors to our site. Awesome. All right, so let's go back to the back end now for the Launcher. Now, one thing I want you to understand is that you have forms here like the countdown timer. You have the subscribe form, the contact form. You also have social links, and then you have the Twitter feed. These options will depend on the kind of template you choose. As an example, by default, the Launcher template is enabled. That's why we have access to all these tabs. If I chose the Retro template, you can see now that the subscribe form, Twitter feed, and contact form have all been disabled because these options don't come with this particular template. And finally, with Rocket, we have everything except the contact form. So basically, if you want the template that has everything, you go with the Launcher. Rocket will offer you all the options with the exception of the contact form, while Retro is the most basic of all the templates, and that's the template we'll actually use eventually. But let's say, for example, you wanted to stick with the Launcher template. Let me show you how you can actually edit it. If you go back to your templates tab, click on template editor link right here, click in there, and now you'll be taken to the page where you can actually begin to edit the contents of the template. So right now you can see that we have over here, we have 2 buttons, right? This one right here, the very first one, is to disable this particular row. So let's say we don't want this row. I can disable it, and now we have the next page and then the last page. So if I don't want this page either, I could do something very, very similar. I could simply just re-enable the very first one, and then I will disable the second one, go back to the top, and then disable the first one back again. And there you go. So now this is the only page that will show up whenever visitors visit our site. And that's exactly how you can disable pages or disable rows with this particular template. So let me just undo what I have done. Let me undo this one here as well. So we have everything all over again. Cool. So that's what the very first button does. The second one is to upload a background image. So if we wanted to change this background image that looks like the city, I'm going to click on the image right here, click on it again, and I'll be taken to my back end where I can attach an image from my media library. And I have some over here. I'm going to go with the last one, which is the light. Click on show. Let's use the full size, and I'm going to click on insert into post. And now you can see that the image has changed. So that's how you can change the background image. For the individual text in here, for example, all you have to do is to click inside, and you can now simply edit the text. So I can say something like, let me just do the backspace. Sorry, we are out for lunch. We've gone out for lunch, so we can't attend to you at the moment. So just click the save button, and yeah, that's it. Sorry, we're out for lunch. You can change the logo right here, and that's basically how you make changes to your templates. The other button you might see, this one right here, is for color. All right. So if you click on this brush right here, you can change the color. So from white, we can go with green as an example. Click the save button, and now it's set to green. Over here, you can see there is a message that says to use the countdown timer, set it up on the settings page. So if I go back to my launcher, I go to settings, go to countdown timer. Over here, we can set a countdown timer. So I'm going to click in here, and let's go with 31st of August. All right, let's just do that. Done. Let's save the changes. And now let's go back to the front end. Let's refresh the page. Let's see what it looks like now. And there you go. Sorry, we're out for lunch, and that's the timer ticking down. So we're basically taking over 8 hours for lunch. This would be a wonderful company to work for if we had to take more than 8 hours for lunch. Anyway, so there you have it. So what I'm going to do here is also to go to the social links. Let's add some social links as well. I'll just add some hashtags for Facebook, for Twitter, for YouTube, and finally for Google. Let's save our changes. Now, if you wanted to make use of the contact form, in here you can select the email where the messages will be sent to. For your subscribe form, this works with different services, mail services. You have FeedBurner, MailChimp, Aweber, GetResponse, and so on. So for example, if you went with MailChimp, you'll have to provide your API key, and then you will choose the list where you want the email address to be populated, and so on. So it depends on the kind of service you choose. But what I really want to do here is to go back to templates and then choose the retro theme. This is the theme I want to use. So I'm going to click on retro, click save changes. And now let's go back to our template editor. Let's take a look at what it looks like. All right, please stand by, launching soon. And there you have it. So we have the timer, we have our social media links, and we have some text. And I really like this particular template. It's very simple, and it's straight to the point. Just give us some time. We're going to launch the website soon. Here's a timer. Here are some social media links. Thank you, and hope to see you soon. This is the kind of template I really, really like. Again, if you wanted the template that offers the subscribe form or a contact form, you can go with the other templates. For the purposes of this video, I am going to use this retro theme. So I'm going to make some changes. I'm going to first of all change the background image. Remember, you have to click twice on the button. I'm going to go to my media library, and I'm going to go ahead and choose the hacker, the second one right here. Click show. Scroll down. I'm going to go with the full size. Insert that into the post. Wait for it. Okay, cool. I like this. And next, I am going to change the text in here. I'm going to say, we are hacking up something cool. Hacking up something cool for you. All right, hacking up something cool for you. Let's press enter. Okay, we are hacking up something cool for you, launching soon. I'm gonna change the color as well, and we're gonna go with red. Look at that. We are hacking up something cool for you, launching soon. That's the timer. And you can see, of course, this is social media icons. Let's even change the color of the timer as well to red. I kind of like it when the timer is in red. It's kind of like a bomb ticking down to explosion. Tick tock, tick tock. So let's go with red. Okay, cool. And there you have it. We're hacking up something cool for you, launching soon. This is the timer, social media icons. And then finally in here, we can change the text as well. Let's just click in here and we can delete all of this. And up till here, and I'm gonna say launcher website. And let's change 2015 to 2018. How about that? Oh, no, let's change the text again. Sorry about that. I pressed I, not L. Launcher website. Cool. All right. So there you have it. We have successfully created a coming soon page. Now here is the view from the perspective of a non-admin. So anytime anyone visits the site right now who isn't an admin, this is exactly what they will see on the front end. And you can see that we have some sort of background effect taking place. We have like the hazy feeling. You can see it just moving around like dust. It's kind of like hazy dust moving around, and you can see the timer, the way it's ticking down. These are some of the reasons why I really like the retro theme. It's very simple and it creates this unique background effect, and that's why I love the retro effect, rather the retro template. So remember that you do have two other templates available. You have the launcher template and you have the rocket template. And keep in mind that whatever template you choose will determine what options are available for you. The launcher template will give you the subscribe form, Twitter feed, social links. It will give you everything. The rocket template will give you everything except the contact form. While the retro theme is the most basic of them all, you will only get the countdown timer and social links. So that's how to create a coming soon or an under maintenance page for your WordPress website. Thank you so much for watching. But before I go, let me just introduce you to my theme shop. If you didn't know these guys, they make fantastic plugins and themes for WordPress. And if you go to the website, why not take advantage and take a look at some of the free WordPress themes that they have. They have some really amazing WordPress themes that are free for you to download. They have some excellent premium themes. I've done reviews on some of the themes. Check the links in the description box below. And also their plugins as well. They have some really amazing plugins that are free for you to get. And I have also done reviews for some of their premium plugins as well. So check the links in the description box below as well. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you liked it, please like, comment, subscribe. And until next time, bye-bye. Hey there, would you like to acquire skills in web development or cybersecurity? If so, then why not consider enrolling in the WebMonkey Academy today? Created by an experienced instructor, the WebMonkey Academy is an online platform dedicated to providing you with world-class courses. From HTML to CSS to WordPress and even cybersecurity, we got you covered. Learn in-demand skills and launch your career as a web developer or cybersecurity analyst. Start your free 2-week trial today and get free access to more than 15 courses with over 1,000 hours of content. Check the link below this video for more details.